Hello, my name is Enrique Lu Martinez, and today I will be explaining the ABC stacking sequence that defines the FCC structure. So to do this, I'm using this visualization software, which is Vesta, and I also downloaded a Silver crystal file, a zip file for Silver, which is a well-known FCC structure. So this is just a single conventional unit cell. So in this form, it is difficult to visualize uh, this packing sequence. So what I will be showing you here is that I will just do a repeating pattern that will be 3 times in each of the directions. So I just have a bigger block of atoms here, which will look like this, more or less like this, okay? But I already have here another one open, which I put some lattice planes because I want to explain you something. The ABC stacking in an FCC crystal occurs along the family of planes, which is 111, which are the planes that I have drawn here in this, showing you here in this software. But I just picked them. So to see this clearly, we must look straight down the 1-1 direction, which is the one I am pointing here with this software. Okay, so when I orient the camera along this direction, we can immediately see that the atoms are no longer a cube, but they are arranged in a perfect hexagonally packed layers, which are the 1-1-1 planes, as I told you earlier. So now to show you the stacking sequence, I have added 3 parallel, or the sequence of parallel planes, which I show you here. The first plane, or the fourth one also sits on the layers of atoms, or let's say the first layer of atoms, which is going to be layer A. Then we have another layer of atoms, which is the next plane in red, that has atoms that are not directly on top of layer A. And they have settled into the hollows or the pockets that layer A left. And the same happens in layer C, which is a plane here in green. So the atoms are now set on the hollows that are left by the layer B. So what about the next layer, the fourth layer, or again, the blue one? But I already have another one here. We can see that the atoms will now coincide, but that's better seen here in this one. And I have already selected them. You can see with this atom, it does not coincide with another atom of layers B and C, and it coincides with the position of, obviously these are a set of atoms, but here this one also repeats itself periodically. But we can see with one of these atoms will be directly oriented, and it will repeat this itself again here in this. And this is just another example for the layer C, which will be repeated again in the layer C or the third layer, counting this stacking. And this is how it could be represented or shown, how the FCC crystal structure can be represented, or it has a stacking sequence of an ABC sequence. So thank you.